Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor at Sudhakarrao Naik Institute of Pharmacy, Pusat. Friends, today we will learn about the clove, the volatile oil which is obtained from the clove. So the clove, it is one of the important drug from the Ayurvedic system of medicine. It is used widely as an mouth freshener. It is also used for the treatment of toothache and also used as an spice. In this picture you can see these are the cloves which is present on the plant, and here you can see the picture of clove. All of you have seen this picture of clove, that is it is a flower bud. It is a flower bud. So this is the stalk like structure which is called as the hypanthium. Then these are the calyx, that is sepals. Four stout sepals are there, and this is the dome shaped corolla. This is the dome shaped corolla, inside which there is a androecium and gynoecium are present. The corolla consists of the four petals. So this clove synonym is caryophyllum, clove flower, clove bud. Biological source: clove consists of the dried flower bud of the Eugenia caryophyllus belonging to family Myrtaceae. So it consists of the dried flower buds. That is, before forming the flower of the bud, the cloves they are harvested by beating with the bamboo stick. When they changes their color from green to crimson one, at that time they are beaten with the bamboo stick and the cloves are collected and dried. After drying they becomes a brown color. So these clove, these are the flower bud. They are flower bud. They are not allowed to open into the form of the flower, otherwise the active chemical constituent will get decreased. So the biological source is clove consists of the flower buds of Eugenia caryophyllus belonging to family Myrtaceae. It should contain not less than 15% of the volatile oil. When we compare all the drugs containing the volatile oil, the clove contain maximum amount of the volatile oil, near about 15 to 20% of the volatile oil it is present in case of the clove. Geographical source: it is indigenous to Abuana and Molucca Islands. It is now cultivated chiefly in Zanzibar, Pemba, Penang, Matsar, Caribbean island, Sri Lanka and India. In India, cloves are grown in Nilgiri, Tenkasi Hills and in Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu state. It is also cultivated in Kottayam and Kulon districts of Kerala. So the clove, it is obtained from Eugenia caryophyllus belonging to family Myrtaceae. Morphological characteristic: color is crimson to dark brown color, odor is slightly aromatic, taste is pungent, aromatic followed by numbness. So taste is pungent and it is also aromatic because of the presence of the volatile oil. Size: it is about 10 to 17.5 mm in length, 4 mm in width and 2 mm in thickness. The shape: it is hypanthium is surmounted with a four thick acute divergent sepal surrounded by a dome shaped corolla. The corolla consists of the unexpanded membranous petals with several stamens, and a single stipe of the prominent style is present. As we have discussed earlier that the clove, it consists of the hypanthium. This is the hypanthium, the stalk like portion which looks, it is, this is the hypanthium. Here there is a ovary is present. Then there are the sepals, that is the calyx, as the flower consists of the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So this is the calyx, that is sepals which are present. Then this is the corolla, that is called as the petals. They are the 4 in number. The sepals, they are 4 in number. Petals, they are 4 in number, which are membranous, and the corolla, it is unopened, so it is a dome shape. The length is 7.5 mm, width is 5 to 5.5 mm, and within this crown, you can see that in the lateral section of the claw, the stamen, numerous stamens which are incurved. These are the stamens. The numerous stamens are present which are incurved, and in the center, you can see here, in the center, the erect style, it is present. About 3 mm long of the erect style is present. In case of the hypanthium, in the upper portion, there is a ovary. Which is a 2-cell inferior ovary with numerous ovules attached by means of the axial placentation. And on the side, on the ridge of the claw, you can see that the numerous oil glands are present. So all these are the oil glands. Numerous amount of the oil glands are present, which contain the volatile oil present in case of the claw. So the claw contain maximum amount of the volatile oil, near about 15 to 20% of the volatile oil is present, because the oil, it is stored into these oil glands. In the center, you can see that here, this is the columella. So the claw, it is an unopened flower bud and contain the volatile oil. So this is the morphological characteristic which is seen in case of the claw. Chemical constituent, it contains chiefly the volatile oil, 15 to 20% of the volatile oil, 10 to 13% of the tannins, which is a gallotannin acid, resin, hormone, and eugenin are the other chemical constituents present in case of the claw. The chief chemical constituents of the volatile oil, that is the eugenol, near about 70 to 90% of the eugenol. The chief chemical constituent of the volatile oil, it is the eugenol, 70 to 90%. Along with the eugenol, it also contains the eugenol acetate, caryophyllins, and small quantity of esters, ketones, and alcohols. So chiefly it contains eugenol. As the name indicate, that is the biological source is Eugenia caryophyllus. So the volatile oil contain the maximum amount of the eugenol, or the chief chemical constituents of the volatile oil, it is a eugenol, and it is about 70 to 90%. Along with the eugenol, it contains eugenol acetate, caryophyllins, and small quantities of the esters, ketones, and alcohol. The standard for the oil, that is colorless to pale yellow color, becomes thick and darker when it is stored for the long period time. Chemical test: if a transfer section of the claw is treated with the strong potassium hydroxide solution, the needle-shaped crystals of the potassium eugenate are observed. That is, if the section is taken and it is treated with the strong potassium hydroxide, due to the presence of the eugenol, it gets converted into the potassium eugenate. Eugenol, in the presence of the potassium hydroxide, get converted into potassium eugenate and get separated out in the form of the needle-shaped crystals. Uses: claw, it is used as a dental analgesic, as a local anesthetic, it is used for the treatment of the tooth ache. Then it is also used as a carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent, and aromatic and antiseptic. So it is used as a dental analgesic, carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent, and aromatic and antiseptic. It is also used in the preparation of the cigarettes, in perfumery, and in the manufacture of vanillin. It is also used in perfumery and also for the manufacturing of the vanillin. The claw is used. Adulterants, as it is a costlier one, it is adulterated with the parts of the claw which contain less amount of the volatile oil. So first one, by means of the mother claws. These are dark brown, ovate, ripened fruits of the claw tree. They are slightly aromatic and contains the starch. They are very inferior in volatile oil content. That is, if the claw remain uncollected on the plant, it get converted into the flower, and this flower will the amount of the volatile oil will get decreased, and they are called as the mother cloves. Next one, clove stalk. When we purchase the clove from the market, we observe that along with the clove stalks, they are also present. So as per as the pharmacopoeias, the limit of 5% is permissible for the clove stalk, but if it is more than 5%, then that cloves are to be rejected. And generally these clove stalks, they are used for the adulteration in case of the powdered drugs. So clove stalks, these are generally used to adulterate the powder cloves and are detected by the presence of isodiametric sclerites and prism of calcium oxalate. So by means of the microscopical examination, by observing the isodiametric sclerites and the prism of calcium oxalate crystals, that is in case of the clove stalk, the calcium oxalate crystals, they are present, whereas in case of the clove bud, the calcium oxalate crystals, they are absent. Their ash values and the crude fiber contents also is high. In case of, due to the clove stalk, the ash value is also high, as well as the crude fiber contents is also increased. The authenticate cloves should not contain more than 5% of the stalks as per as the pharmacopoeial limit. Due to similarity in the color, odor and taste, clove stalks are mixed with the cloves. Clove stalk contain only 5% of the volatile oil. Generally in case of the clove, there is 14 to 20% of the volatile oil is present, but in case of the clove stalk, only 5% of the volatile oil is present. Then third one, the cloves, they are also adulterated by blown cloves. These blown cloves, these are expanded flowers of the clove tree. The stamens generally get detached. They also contain the volatile oil and are similar in color to the cloves. The volatile oil content is less as compared to the authentic traits. So these are the expanded flowers of the clove trees. The stamens generally get detached in this case, and they are used for the adulteration purpose, which contain less amount of the volatile oil as compared to the clove. Then exhausted cloves. These are the cloves from which oil has been removed by distillation. So the cloves, from the cloves, the oil, it is removed, volatile oil is removed by process of the solvent extraction method, or by using a hydrodistillation method, the volatile oil is removed, and then these cloves from which the volatile oil is removed, it is used for the adulteration purpose. So these are the cloves from which the oil has been removed by distillation. They are dark in color, more shrunken, and when pressed with a fingernails, it do not show the presence of the oil. Exhausted cloves float on water. Generally, the cloves, they are the heavy and they sink in the water, but if it is the exhausted clove, it will float on the water. So in this way, for the adulteration of the clove, the mother cloves, they are used. Then the clove stalks, blown cloves and exhausted cloves, they are used for the adulteration purpose. Storage, cloves and its powder should be stored in airtight containers in cool and dry place. This is all about the clove. Synonym is Caryophyllum, clove flower, clove bud. Biological source, it is a dried flower buds of Eugenia caryophyllus belonging to family Myrtaceae. Chemical constituents, it contains the volatile oil, and the chief chemical constituents of the volatile oil is the eugenol. Near about 70 to 90% of the eugenol is present. Uses, it is used as an dental analgesic, carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent, and as an antiseptic. It is used as an local anesthetic. It is used for the treatment of toothache. It is also used as an mouth freshener. So this is all about the clove. Thank you very much. If you like the video, like it, press on like, subscribe and press bell icon so that you can know the new videos uploaded by me. Thank you once again.